Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to redeem Fliff Cash. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Redeeming Fliff Cash is a straightforward process. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First of all, open the Flip app on the mobile device. If you don't have the app, download and install it first. Go to your profile by selecting the profile avatar icon on the bottom navigation. Open the menu by tapping the three lines in the top right corner. And now select Redeem Fliff Cash from the menu options. If your account details are not verified, you will need to complete the verification process first. And now choose your preferred withdrawal method. It can be an instant bank transfer, standard bank transfer, or digital gift cards, and the amount you want to redeem. At last, confirm your request to redeem your Fliff Cash. And voila, your Fliff Cash should be on its way to you. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.